Hi friends, I hope everyone fine in this pandemic situation. Yeah, for all your purpose, I'm making short videos and small topics. Therefore, conveniently you can have a view from the dual nature of matter and radiation. A small topic. First, photon and its properties. What do you mean by photon? Photon is a small particle, massless particle. Photon is considered as it's a pocket or bundle of energy. That energy of photon always we are able to write E equal to h nu. E stands for the energy, H stands for the Planck constant, and whereas nu is a frequency, which is also can be written frequency and wavelength relation in terms of hc by lambda, where c is the velocity of light, lambda is a wavelength. Now, what are these properties of photons? Photon travels at a speed of light in vacuum, which is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Is the most important thing. And it has zero rest mass. It has zero rest mass. Understand the wording. That means the photon cannot exist at rest position. Photon cannot exist at rest position. For example, if you take a mass particle, this is a mass particle. It is available at rest position in your hand. But photon is not like that. It is a zero rest mass. Kinetic energy of a photon, kinetic mass first if you are taking, from the energy equal to mc square equal to mc square, we know. From that mass when I make as a subject, since there is no rest mass, so we have to mention here kinetic mass of a photon is m equal to E by c square, which is equal to E stands for h nu and c square. Okay. So again, if I'll resubstitute the relation between frequency and wavelength, I can write h by c lambda. This is the momentum of photon. We know linear momentum p equal to mv. So since the photon is in a motion, what is its having momentum? That is p equal to the kinetic mass. We are always express E by c square. So into V. So that's why mass place, if you write E by c square into C, C and c square get cancelled. Rest of the uh, energy by wave velocity of light you are having. That I can write further E by C, which is equal to h by lambda from the same relation as. Photon travels in a straight line always. Photon particle travels in a straight line as light travels in a straight line as we discussed. Energy of photon depends upon frequency of the photon always because E equal to h nu. It must depends on the frequency. So that the energy of photon does not change when photon travels from one medium to another, because frequency also will not change from whenever the light travels from one medium to another medium. Same way photon also, since photon is directly proportional to the frequency. Most important property, wavelength of the photon changes in different media. Different media wavelength of photon changes. Therefore we know already this point in light, wavelength of light changes in different media. So velocity of photon is different in different media. Obviously, how the velocity of light changes in different media, wavelength of photon and velocity of photon changes in different media. Photon, since it is zero rest mass particle and photon is also electrically neutral, it doesn't have any positive charge and negative charge. Photons may show diffraction under given condition. We have studied in earlier lesson wave optics. Uh, the light is travels in a form of particle as well as in wave nature. We were in that confusion in that saga we are going. So in the same way, photons may show diffraction under given condition. Means It shows the diffraction effect. Photons are not deviated by any magnetic and electric field since it doesn't have any charge. Okay, these all properties of photon. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and get good content with proper explanation.